Welcome to the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of using the Ronin bridge to transfer assets between Ethereum and Ronin networks. First, you need to understand that the Ronin network is a sidechain built specifically for Axie Infinity, allowing for faster and cheaper transactions compared to the Ethereum mainnet. The Ronin bridge is a tool that enables the transfer of assets between these two networks. To start, you need to have an account on the Axie Infinity marketplace and a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask. Ensure that your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready for use. Next, go to the Ronin bridge website and click on the deposit or withdraw option, depending on the direction of the transfer you want to make. If you are depositing from Ethereum to Ronin, you will need to paste your Ronin wallet address and the amount of assets you want to transfer. After confirming the transaction, you will need to wait for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum network. This may take some time due to network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, your assets will be transferred to the Ronin network. When withdrawing from Ronin to Ethereum, the process is similar. You will need to paste your Ethereum wallet address and the amount of assets you want to transfer. The transaction will then be processed on the Ronin network and later on the Ethereum network. It is essential to note that there may be fees associated with using the Ronin bridge, and the fees can vary depending on network congestion. It is also crucial to ensure that you are using the correct wallet addresses to avoid losing your assets. Best practices include double-checking the wallet addresses and the amount of assets you want to transfer before confirming the transaction. You should also be aware of the current network fees and plan your transactions accordingly. In conclusion, the Ronin bridge is a powerful tool that allows for seamless transfer of assets between Ethereum and Ronin networks. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can safely and efficiently use the Ronin bridge to enhance your Axie Infinity experience.